नवनीत के क्लिनिक में डर्मा मिरेकल में हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट लेने आया हूँ। मैंने एक बार पहले भी लिया है बट मेरे को रिजल्ट सेटिस्फैक्ट्री नहीं मिले। अभी मैंने काफ़ी जांच की दिल्ली में एंड देन आई फाइंड दिस डर्मा मिरेकल क्लिनिक। अभी मैं अपना हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ। लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट, फिंगर क्रॉस्ड।
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Navneet Haror, consultant dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon at Derma Miracle Skin and Hair Transplant, Greater Kailash Part 1, New Delhi. So today we are going to start the first case of a hair transplant. That is with Mr. Shwetank Upadhyay. He's from Varanasi. Earlier he got his hair transplant executed around 4 to 5 years back. He came to me, he was not satisfied with the results. The results were not proper, the density was not proper. So he came to me, I examined the donor and the recipient area and the ball area. So we plan to go for around 5,000 grafts in his case. We'll be extracting the grafts from donor area where there are already less number of grafts. So we'll be taking less number of grafts from the donor area, the scalp, and the remaining grafts will be taking from the beard area. As you can see, the density is not very much in Shwetank's case, because I don't think so what was the reason behind it. But we are going to give him very proper density and coverage for his recipient area. Okay. So this is the first step. I'm going to start. We are going to inject local anesthesia. We are using a vibrator along with this, so the pain sensation reduces. Starting Shwetank. So as you can see, this procedure is almost painless once we are done with the local anesthesia. As you can see, this is almost a painless procedure. You can ask Shwetank. Shwetank, are you feeling any pain right now?
No.
As I am injecting, but he's not feeling any pain because this is already, the field block is already given, local anesthesia. After the first step, it doesn't hurt. So starting the slitting process, we're going to extract 1 or 2 grafts to decide the length of the slits, at what the grafts, the depth at what the grafts are going to be placed. So I'll be taking extract 1 graft from his donor area to see the length of the graft. So now we can see the exact length of the graft. His grafts are very healthy, but a bigger in length. So we have to make slits according to the length of the extracted sample graft. So now we are going to start the slitting process. Slitting includes the angle, density, direction of the grafts to be implanted into the ball area. And after this, we are going to start the extraction simultaneously along with implantation. Because the technique what we do is called as direct hair transplant. In this, we take out the roots and implantation of roots is done simultaneously. And another thing is we don't touch the roots in that because no root touch technique is the rule.
Right now my first phase of this hair transplant is completed. The doctor has done the slitting and अभी मेरे को कोई पेन नहीं है। आप देख सकते हैं मैं बिल्कुल कूल हूँ और अभी सेकेंड फेज करेंगे। Now I am going for second phase.
Okay, so we are going to start the next phase of a hair transplant. As you can see, the safety precautions in a surgery are for the local anesthesia what we are going to inject. We have given the test dose for that injection. 4 units of the local anesthesia what we are going to inject. जो सुन्न करने वाला सॉल्यूशन हम देने वाले हैं उसका एक छोटा सा डोज हम हाथ में देके देखते हैं कि कहीं वो इनको सूट नहीं कर रहा है, इनको रिएक्ट कर रहा है, उसके बाद ही हम वो सॉल्यूशन देते हैं। जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं इनके केस में हमने 2 जगह सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है जो सॉल्यूशन हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट में एनेस्थीसिया देने के लिए एरिया को सुन्न करने के लिए यूज होता है। तो देख सकते हैं ही इज नॉट सेंसिटिव फॉर एनी ऑफ देम। हम सेफली इस लोकल एनेस्थीसिया के सॉल्यूशन को यूज कर सकते हैं। Okay, so as you can see, we have done with the slitting process of hair transplant. So this is the direction. If you can see, we have already put a gentian violet solution. This is an antiviral and antifungal solution to prevent from any infection. So you can see the direction of the slits in front are, they are at least around 10 to 20 degree of angle, and these are also at 10 to 20 degree, but they are directed medially. In the center, they are directed towards the front. They are also at an angle of 20 degree. The same is the rule with the front 3 to 4 lines. Then as we proceed back, the slitting, the angle changes from 10 to 20 degree, it goes to 30 to 40. These slits are made at an angle of 30 to 40 degree. And behind that, as we go backwards, the angle increases. Like here, it comes to around 90 degree. Here it's 10 to 20 degree. Here it's 90 degree. And let's talk about direction. So in front, these hair will match the rest of the area. The direction is along the existing hair. These hair are directed towards the front, towards the medial, and these hair are directed according to the direction of the previous existing hair. And here they are directed towards the laterally, towards the sides. So as you can see, we have made around 5200 slits in Shwetang's case. You see, the slits are made till here. So let's start for the extraction process. So we are going to start the second step of our hair transplantation process. This is called as extraction. So as you can see, I have marked the donor area according to the zones. As you can see, I have marked 3 zones. So the central zone is called as permanent zone. The hair here are going to be permanent for a longer duration of time. This zone, as I have marked with cross. This zone is a semi-permanent zone. So hair, if taken from this area, they are not going to last long. As it is the same is the case with the lower zone, which I have crossed. This is also a semi-permanent zone. So we are not going to take the grafts from these 2 areas. We are going to take the grafts only from the permanent zone, so that the grafts last long. So I am going to start with the local anesthesia in the donor area. As you can see, the needle we are using is 32 gauge needle. This is a very fine needle. This is usually used in the pediatric age of the children. ये नीडल इतना पतला है, इसको हम बच्चों के लिए यूज करते हैं. वही नीडल हम सेम यूज कर रहे हैं ट्रांसप्लांट में, ताकि पेन कम. ये वाइब्रेट, दिस डिवाइस इज कॉल्ड एज वाइब्रेटर to reduce, to deviate the sensation of pain. We are finished with the local anesthesia. We are going to start the extraction process. In extraction process, this is a micromotor device, this is the handpiece, and this is the punch. And the punch size, you can see, this is 0.7 mm of diameter. This is a very fine punch. The reason behind this, the scars are going to be negligible. That's why the very smaller size punch is used. So as you can see, हम जो हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट करते हैं, इस टेक्निक का नाम है डायरेक्ट हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट. इसमें हम साथ के साथ एक्सट्रैक्शन भी करते जाते हैं और साथ के साथ ग्राफ्ट्स इम्प्लांट भी होते हैं. एज यू कैन सी, आपको दिख रहे हैं. तो ये जो ग्राफ्ट्स हैं, इसमें कोई ग्राफ्ट सिंगल है, कोई डबल है, कोई ट्रिपल है. तो जो सिंगल वाला ग्राफ्ट होता है वो आगे वाली लेन में लगाया जाता है. उससे पीछे आगे की 3-4 रोज से के बाद में डबल और ट्रिपल ग्राफ्ट्स को मिक्स करके लगाया जाता है डेंसिटी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की. फ्रंट में सिंगल ग्राफ्ट इसलिए लगाया जाता है ताकि नेचुरल डेंसिटी रहे, नेचुरल लगे हेयर लाइन. यूजुअली एक ग्राफ्ट में 2 से 3 फॉलिकल्स होते हैं. 1 से लेकर 4 से 5 तक वेरी करता है, पर जो ट्रांसप्लांट में हम यूज़ करते हैं 2 से 3 वाले ग्राफ्ट ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं. फ्रंट लाइन के लिए सिंगल ग्राफ्ट यूज़ करते हैं.
हेलो, आई एम श्वेतांक. I came to this clinic, Derma Miracle, for hair transplant, and Dr. Navneet has done my hair transplant, and now it is final stage, and the procedure is very much comfortable. I feel no pain, and the atmosphere in clinic is very healthy, and all the guys here are very much talented, and they are very much cooperative also. Thank you.
इसमें ग्राफ्ट जो हैं सिंगल वाले भी हैं, डबल वाले भी हैं, ट्रिपल वाले भी हैं. ऑलमोस्ट सारे ग्राफ्ट्स हैं इसमें. एज यू कैन सी, इसमें नो रूट टच टेक्निक फॉलो की जा रही है. रूट से किसी भी ग्राफ्ट को नहीं पकड़ा जा रहा है. टिश्यू से होल्ड करके उसको अंदर फोर्सेप की हेल्प से प्लेस किया जा रहा है. रूट न टच करने का फ़ायदा ये है, रूट डैमेज नहीं होती है तो स्टेम सेल इंटैक्ट रहता है, ग्रोथ अच्छी.
आज मेरा प्रोसीजर का 3rd डे है एंड आज मेरे पीछे से स्कैल्प से उन्होंने जो पट्टी लगाई थी वो काटी है और उसके बाद में कुछ बिटाडिन सॉल्यूशन यूज़ करके उस जो आफ्टर प्रोसीजर थोड़ा सा स्क्रैचेस से आ जाते हैं उनको रिमूव करने के लिए किया है एंड मेडिसिन प्रेस्क्राइब की है। अभी तक आई एम टोटली फाइन और मुझे कोई पेन नहीं है। अभी मैंने डॉक्टर से भी बात की, डॉक्टर ने भी बोला कि अभी आप किसी भी तरीके से सो सकते हो बिकॉज फर्स्ट 2 डे आपको अपना करवट नहीं लेना है, तो थोड़ा सा सोने में प्रॉब्लम है बट अभी मैं सो सकता हूँ करवट वगैरह लेके, तो अभी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है और सारा प्रोसीजर सही चल रहा है।